Welcome to Practice Easy English. 14 phrasal verbs to talk about problems and solutions. Deal with. To handle or manage. I'll deal with the customer complaints right away. I'll handle those customer complaints now. Work out. To find a solution. Let's work out a compromise that satisfies everyone. Let's find a solution that works for everyone. Figure out. To understand or solve. I need some time to figure out how to fix this issue. I need time to understand how to fix this. Sort through. To examine and organize. We need to sort through these documents to find the relevant ones. We gotta go through these papers to find the right ones. Get over. To recover from. It took me a while to get over the disappointment of not getting the promotion. Took me a bit to recover from not getting that promotion. Iron out. To resolve differences or issues. We need to iron out the details of the contract before signing. We gotta settle the contract details. Clear up. To clarify or resolve confusion. Let me clear up any misunderstandings about the project. Let me clear up any project confusion. Straighten out. To resolve or clarify. We need to straighten out the confusion regarding roles and responsibilities. We gotta clear up the role confusion. Fix up. To repair or improve. I'll fix up the broken chair in the conference room. I'll repair that broken chair. Sort out. To resolve or organize. We need to sort out the scheduling conflict for the meeting. We gotta fix the meeting clash. Hammer out. To negotiate or settle. It took hours to hammer out the details of the contract. It took hours to negotiate the contract. Face up to. To confront or deal with. It's time to face up to the challenges and find a way forward. It's time to confront the challenges. Lay out. To explain or present clearly. Let me lay out the plan for addressing this issue step by step. Let me explain the plan step by step. Smooth over. To make less problematic or tense. I tried to smooth over the disagreement between the team members. I tried to smooth things over with the team.